If you trade exciting tech stocks, hang in till the end of the video. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. This is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, January 19th, 2014, and we will be looking at a whole host of tech stocks and also gold and silver at the end of this video. Got a lot to go over, so let's hit the ground running. Anyway, as far as the Dow is concerned, on a weekly chart, you'll see that we have been going down. It's kind of a high, you'll see this just kind of a high base here. We went down, come right back up. It's almost like the markets are building this high base. We've been talking about that. If we look here at a S&P chart, the S&P 500, there's a couple lines I want to pay special attention to. On your charts, put a line at 1848 or round it at 1850 as resistance. Support level, put it at 1819 or 1820. I think we're going to have a lot of choppiness going into the future between these two numbers. Anything over would be bullish, anything below would be bearish. That's why the upper is green, the lower is bearish. However, I think if we do break down below this trend line, and this trend line goes back here to beginning of October, comes over here to December, and then we hit here December or January in 2014. You'll see we have this double top, but we do not have a double top trend reversal pattern because we haven't broke down. Most textbooks will tell you it needs to break this low before it's confirmed. I'm saying it's confirmed if it breaks the trend line that's coming up here. We have the 20-day moving average that did act on Friday as support. If we do break down, that's going to be bad news. Chances are really good that we'll break down below 1820. On the weekly chart here, the S&P 500, you can see that we try to poke our head over, but we're building this high base, which is really good for the markets actually, because that gives us an area to launch from. On the monthly chart, you'll see that we're at major resistance. We've been going up. So far for the month, and we're already halfway through it, we do have a doji, so a whole lot of nothing, but a lot of white space to go southbound. Plenty of droppage opportunity here for the markets to really give some back, relax a little bit going into the future. Now the NASDAQ daily chart going higher. Things are looking fairly well here for the markets as far as the NASDAQ is concerned. If you look at the weekly chart, we're at resistance, but we've been hitting this resistance and staying at resistance for so long. Will the markets ever die? It seems so strong. Here's the monthly chart. So we have support down here, we have resistance here, we're at major resistance. This is the time for the markets to finally give us a bull pullback. So I think it is knocking at the door. So even though we're going to be looking at a lot of tech stocks going into the end of this video, wow, we have a lot of downside potential here. Before we get into the stocks, let me share with you this. This is the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. A couple things I want to point out. One, if you are a beginner, only been trading a year or two, definitely go through the 6 courses here. There's 30 lessons, 6 courses, lot of training here. Sign up for this, get the free training, you'll be getting emails. If you cannot wait and you want to take it all in one sitting, just go to the 101 courses, click here and do that. We do have a chart school. The chart school down here is rock solid. You will love the chart school. We do our daily trading videos just like you're listening to now, the 101 courses that we talked about. We do have premium products. One that I'll highlight, it's a 201 trading videos. This is for more advanced courses. This is for more formalized trading education. Grok 125 will knock off $125 this weekend. Grok 125. All right. So we get into gold, and with gold we have this nice rally, but kind of looks like this bear flag taking place here on the daily. On the weekly we're at major resistance, so we have resistance. We come down, resistance. We're at big time resistance. We need to clear that resistance. We need to rally strongly here. And on the monthly, you'll see that we're on the right side of this falling wedge. It's almost like it's wanting to break out. Like this is a great buying opportunity, something to be watching for. Silver monthly chart, we're at a big low here. Another great buying opportunity. If it breaks down at all, get out. Your reward to risk ratio is fantastic. On the weekly chart, we're on the right side of this resistance. We busted through it. Now we're looking for momentum and volume. On the daily chart, just a choppy mess, but it is heading in the right direction. That would be bullish. So Apple on Friday was off 2.5%. We do have a symmetrical triangle. We did drop here. If you look at volume, we had a big volume on Friday on that drop. This is problematic. It looks like it's going to want to blast down through this. If you look at a weekly chart, you'll see that we do have a bull pullback. We have an inverted hammer, which is technically more bullish than it is bearish. But if we start to break down, this is going to be a nasty little drop. On the monthly chart, you can see it. We drop, we have this bear pullback on dissipating volume, a doji, and now we have a lower high, lower low so far for the month. We could see a big red candlestick here for the monthly chart. Be careful with Apple. This is a sell opportunity. Facebook, here's a weekly chart, rising wedge, bearish divergence on the MACD, another sell opportunity. You can see here the rising wedge on the daily chart on Facebook. We already broke down below a major support line, a selling opportunity. If you're in Facebook, get your profit, take them. Here's Google. Google on the daily, it's just up, and away, staying in a nice channel. If you look at the weekly chart, up, and away. Monthly chart, up, and away. But look how extended we are from all the moving averages, especially the EMAs. This dude needs to pull back at some time. So when profits taking comes in, things that go up fast could drop fast. Watch for a quick reversal to the downside. LinkedIn on the monthly chart looks like a nice bull pullback. On the weekly chart though, we broke down below support, we came up, support then became resistance, we come back down, showing a lot of weakness. If you look here at the daily chart, you can see we dropped, came up, found resistance at a support line, and we're dropping. So for the daily, we have this big bearish Harami reversal pattern. Look for downside opportunity on LinkedIn. Microsoft daily, we're in a downtrend, hit resistance, look for droppage. The weekly chart now looks bullish. Drop with a hammer. Look for upside potential in the weekly though. On the monthly, support now is resistance now acting as support. So the Microsoft, if it can stay above $38, that would be a very good thing. Anyway, get the best right here. Grok Trade, thanks so much. Make sure you go freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Take the one-on-one free courses, free trading videos, free chart school. There's a free chat room during the day, but definitely get the premium product. This is where the secrets and tricks are right here. We take our education quite seriously. Grok125 special code will knock off $125. Take care. Share this video with a friend.